Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to private chats on Character.AI. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now, first thing you need to remember is all the chats that you have are private. But while you are about to create a character and you want to private the chat, then this is the option. Firstly, you need to tap on the create option. Now tap on character. Now here simply enter one name. After that, tap on next. You can skip this part, you can simply tap on next. Now simply enter a greeting. After that, tap on next. And there you can see the option public, unlisted or private. Now if you tap on public, anyone can find and chat with Hannah. And if you tap on private, only you can see chat with Hannah. Now after tapping on private, you can tap on next. All you can do is tap on create. And now you can see that the private chat has been created. And this is how you can private chats on Character.AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.